National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:45 a.m. At 9:40 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sandwich, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. The storm has a history of producing wind damage. Source, trained spotters. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Buffalo Grove and Bartlett. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 277 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 326 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 143 and 155. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 4, in between mile markers 16 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 8 and 10. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakland Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, SeatGeek Stadium, Triton College, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Will, Jane, Kendall, Kankakee.